Good morning, all. Risk disclaimer: all information on this video is for educational purpose only and is not intend to provide any financial advice. Any statement about profits or income expressed does not represent a guarantee. Uh, Guys, I mean, I'm taking some medicine, so it is like sedative, so I'm waking up late, and even I couldn't make videos on evenings. Okay, so let me make these videos on this time for next few days or few weeks. Okay, until I get recovered completely. So till that, apologize for the same. So what happened on Nifty and Bank Nifty yesterday? Market exactly opened at POC, so I said let's wait for here or here to take a trade. This was a beautiful trade. 9967 rejection, all the way it came and tested this. So a neat 80 to 90 point gain was there. Okay, that was a good trade. I don't know how many had taken that. I waited for here. Finally, when it rejected, I took a short trade. In Bank Nifty, the same case. Okay, it took a support around this level. Okay, it breached the POC. It took a support and it tested this value area high, but again it rejected. It came down. Okay. So until this VPOC of 2085 not crossed on higher side, I mentioned it is not at all bullish. So people responded. I mean, big traders or say like smart money had responded to the higher price and they pushed it lower. Okay. So today, if we open below 19,800 mark, okay, and if we keep scaling down, we might test 19,700, and even this low likely to get tested today, 19,400. Okay, and if this gets supported, then chance of bounce likely to happen. Okay, for any bullishness to occur today, we need to cross 20,300. If 20,300 crosses, we are likely to test 2430 and even 2,800 this time. Okay, so till 20,400 and 300 takes comfortably, don't have a bullish bias. On lower side, this is the zone. These are the zones: 19,700 and 19,400. Okay. Today is expiry day, so always try to manage your risk properly, especially the option traders. Okay. On Nifty, the same case. Okay. Already I told a few of my friends yesterday that we are going to have a gap down today. So SGX also pointing that. So somewhere here we are likely to open. Okay. If we open here and keeps driving down, I mean keeps going down, okay, I expect expiry to be around or 9,700 mark. Okay, in case if we get a gap down open, okay, if we don't push below this mark, 9,750 or 60 mark, okay, if we comes above 9,800, okay, and test this 9,770 and goes above that, okay, that says that bulls are back. Okay, so keep this as a level 9,870 on futures. Until 9,870 is not crossed comfortably, I will be a seller today. Okay, looking for 9,750 or even 9,700. On lower side, this 9700, and already I mentioned until this high not cross, the bigger picture is for 9666. Okay, so if this breaks, if this doesn't support, then 9666 likely to hit today itself or probably tomorrow. Okay, just keep a eye. Okay, keep a eye on how the first few hour auction likely to happen. I mean, like what is happening, so you will get an idea. On stock front, yesterday I mentioned this ICICI. Okay, so I was fun drawing that Gartley pattern. People asked, I never follow that. Okay, this one I was drawing that. So ICICI is one shot I'm looking for. Okay, so this was the thing I was drawing yesterday. This is basically a bearish pattern. Yeah, so we call this as a bearish Gartley. Okay, so which is a bearish pattern. I don't track that, but one of my friend used to send me whenever I give a view. He used to just connect it with Gartley and say, yeah, this have this view. Okay, so ICICI I'm looking for somewhere closer to 320 to break in all of the sudden. If we get a gap down here, say like if we open below 330 mark, or if we open below this and keeps going down, I expect a sudden crack towards 320. Okay, a strong push breaking this mark. Okay, this area, because this is all like a bullish structure here, this zone I am talking about. But if you think on a common sense, the guys who all went long here, ultimately their stop losses would be lined up here. So I expect a liquidation break here. Okay, if it is a gap down below this. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. So on OI friend, if you see, 10,000 still remains the highest open interest, so that's why 10,000 is struggling to go away. Okay, and on lower side 9,500 still pegs, so that is a wide thing they want to play on lower side. So I need to watch how this reacts. I mean, like 9,900 mark, all that stuff. And moreover on OI, especially on expiry days, I don't track OIs. It have least value to me. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. So keep a track on this ICICI. Okay, that's one stock idea from me, and the Nifty plan is very clear. Okay, so as always, enjoy the trading day, respect risk, and if there is a trade, else stay away, be a spectator. Your capital protection should be your first goal. Okay, happy trading. Catch you all tomorrow on next episode.